Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty isn't just a product, it's an experience. Today, we're talking about a game changer when it comes to eyeliner. The Stay All Day ArtiStix graphic liner in the vibrant shade Mambo. If you're looking to elevate your eyeliner game with intense color and long-lasting wear, this might be the one you need to add to your collection. This eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form, offering precision for detailed graphic designs or classic lines. Infused with conditioning and soothing emollients, it promises not only striking color payoff, but also a gentle touch on the skin around the eyes. Let's dive into how this liner really performs. From the moment I applied it, I was impressed by how smooth and creamy the pencil felt. No tugging or pulling, just a silky application. The color payoff is exceptional, delivering a bold and vibrant Mambo hue with just one swipe. It really pops on the skin, giving a fierce, bold look that works well both for day and night wear. I tried it under different conditions, morning, evening, and even on a humid day, and the liner stayed put. It didn't smudge, fade, or transfer. For anyone looking for a liner that truly stays all day, this one holds its ground. When it comes to texture, the liner feels lightweight and soft, thanks to the emollients that help it glide on effortlessly. It's comfortable to wear without that dry, tight feeling you might get with some other pencils. I also noticed that it didn't irritate my sensitive eye area, which is a huge plus. On the flip side, the pencil might not be ideal for those who prefer a very fine point. While it's fantastic for bold lines and graphic looks, the pencil's size might make it tricky for more delicate, precise work, like tight lining or creating a super thin line along the lash line. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: vibrant, bold color. The Mambo shade is truly striking and adds a pop of color without being overwhelming. Long-lasting. It holds up well through long days, and I didn't need to touch it up once. Smooth application. The pencil glides on effortlessly, offering a comfortable wear. Gentle on sensitive eyes. No irritation, even on my delicate skin around the eyes. Cons: not ideal for fine lines. The pencil's shape makes it more suited for bold, graphic designs, rather than super fine lines. Not the most versatile for every eyeliner style. If you're more into creating intricate, delicate cat eyes, you might prefer a more precision-tipped pencil. In terms of value for money, I think the price is justified for the quality you're getting. It's a product that delivers on its promise to stay put all day without smudging or fading. Plus, the fact that it's infused with soothing ingredients elevates its performance in comparison to other liners on the market. For those considering alternatives, there are a few options at a lower price point. However, the Stay All Day ArtiStix offers a performance edge, particularly for those who want a bold, long-wearing look. It may be worth the investment if you prioritize longevity and comfort. Regarding build quality, the pencil itself feels solid, and the twist-up design ensures that you don't waste product. There's no mess, and it's easy to carry around in your makeup bag without fear of breakage. In terms of customer support, I've had positive experiences with Stila in the past, and based on their reputation, I'm confident that any issues would be handled professionally. So what's the final verdict? If you love bold, graphic eyeliners and need something that lasts all day without constant touch-ups, the Stay All Day ArtiStix graphic liner in Mambo is definitely worth considering. The color payoff, ease of use, and longevity make it a standout product in the eyeliner category. However, if you're someone who prefers more subtle or precise liners, this might not be your best bet. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this liner, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out.